Howard here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired about the Santa Fe. Well, I wanted to make sure I pull up a vehicle to give you a brief overview since there was no trim package specified. Just to give you a very brief overview. This has the very sporty alloy wheels. When you come through the back, there is ample room for 3 passengers. This one also has this is leather. Now up on the steering wheel, you've got your volume control, cruise control, Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. You've got this area here that toggles through your back display. This particular package also has navigation and backup camera, CD player, auxiliary, iPod, USB, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for the first 3 months. I want to tell you real quick about the America's Best Warranty. There is a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. This vehicle also comes equipped with BlueLink telematics. We will go more into that whenever we meet. Again, Shannon Coward. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Please call me on my cell, 205-907-4700. I look forward to working with you. Can't wait to see you.